best review tech. VEVOR 2000 to 4500 lbs electric winch steel or nylon rope winch W/remote ATV UTV winch review. Pure copper motor. Our electric winch adopts a high-performance pure copper motor with 12 V voltage and super high horsepower, accompanying off-road rescue every day. In addition, the precise 3-stage planetary gear enables the winch to operate stably for a long time. IP55 waterproof. This winch is IP55 waterproof, easily handling the complex outdoor conditions. Thanks to this feature, it's fearless of mud, rainstorm, and snow. Applicable to various types of vehicles, it is suitable for ATVs, medium and large-sized SUVs, trucks, and even yachts. The powerful pulling force can safeguard every trip. Premium cable. With the large diameter, there is no need to worry about the long cable breaking. Moreover, it has red markings as the safety warning on the last 5 circles of the cable, which can be easily identified from a long distance. Wireless control. It has the wireless function, which won't be affected by wires. Besides, it can be operated by single person to rescue oneself, fearless of the trapped vehicles. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link. Thanks for watching.